So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video we're going to discuss a very useful feature inside Pabbly email marketing, and that feature is SMTP routing. Inside Pabbly email marketing you can connect multiple delivery servers to send your campaigns. These delivery servers can be different SMTP providers such as Amazon SES, Gmail SMTP, SendGrid, Mailgun, or even the Pabbly inbuilt SMTP. Many users connect multiple SMTP servers inside their account so that they can send emails more efficiently. And once you have multiple delivery servers connected, you are ready to use, or you can start using SMTP routing. So let's first understand what SMTP routing does. So SMTP routing allows you to distribute your email sending across multiple SMTP servers simultaneously. Instead of sending your entire campaign from just one SMTP provider, you can split these sendings across multiple servers. So for example, if you're sending a large campaign of 1 lakh emails, you can distribute the sending like this: 30% through server 1, the next 30% from the server 2, and the rest 40% from server 3. This helps you to balance the load across the servers and allows you to send the emails much faster and more efficiently. And one another important benefit of SMTP routing is testing deliverability performance. Sometimes different SMTP providers give different results. For example, one provider might give you better inbox placement or open rates compared to the another. So by splitting your campaigns across multiple SMTP providers, you can experiment and see which delivery server performs better. Based on the results, you can later decide which SMTP provider works best for your campaigns. Another important thing to understand this is that each SMTP provider has its own sending limits. For example, some SMTP provider may allow only a certain number of emails per day. Others may limit the number of emails you can send per hour. So when sending campaigns, you always need to keep those limits in mind too. This is another reason why SMTP routing is very helpful. So instead of relying on just one SMTP server, you can connect multiple SMTP server providers and distribute these sendings between them. You can think of this as combining multiple batteries to power your device. One small battery alone may not be enough to run a powerful device, right? But when you combine multiple batteries together, you can generate enough power. Similarly, if you have multiple SMTP provider servers with smaller sending limits, you can connect them together and generate very good results for you. Similarly, if you have multiple SMTP servers with smaller sending limits, you can connect them together and distribute these sending across them. This allows you to send campaigns to a much more larger number of subscribers, even if each SMTP server provider has its own limits. So now let's quickly show you how this works. So now if you are an existing user like me, directly open your dashboard of Pabbly email marketing. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/email marketing and open the landing page of Pabbly email marketing. Over here in the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get a free trial of Pabbly email marketing. Once you try Pabbly email marketing and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly email marketing. For that, we have a special discount coupon code which is just for you and attached right over here. You can get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly email marketing if you use this discount coupon code. But I'll suggest you first try Pabbly email marketing, try SMTP routing, and if you find it helpful for you and your business, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. Now we're on the dashboard and make sure to add your business over here first. Now let's see what is this SMTP routing. For that, first let's go towards the delivery server section. So from the left hand of the side, I'm just going to go towards this delivery server, and we're going to see that I have a total of 4 delivery servers active right now. So similarly, you can connect multiple providers right over here, and once you have multiple delivery servers connected, you can start working on SMTP routing. So now you have to go on the campaign section from the left hand of the side, and you can can see that I have already created some campaigns. So I have a draft campaign. So let's just edit the same campaign and we're going to send this campaign only. So as you can see that this is the campaign. So let's just go on this send and see how SMTP routing works. If you want to learn more about this campaign section or any another section of Pabbly email marketing, we have a dedicated video on the same in the description box below. You can refer to that. Now it is asking for the campaign details. So this is already filled. For the sender details, as you can see, all the details are filled in right over here. But you're going to see that we have this option of SMTP routing. So you simply have to switch on this button. Now once you switch on this toggle button, you're going to find this option appearing. Once this is going to open, you can distribute this email list into these 4 SMTP servers. I am going to use 3 only, which is Gmail, SendGrid and Send With Us, which is Pabbly Send With Us. What I'm going to do is I am just going to send the 20% of the mails using Gmail. So I'm going to keep the percentage as 20 of Gmail. For the SendGrid, I'm going to keep it as 40. And now for the Send With Us, I am going to keep it as 40 over here. So I'm just going to enter 40. So now I've divided this in 40, 40, 20. And now we're going to click on this save SMTP routing. And we're going to see, yes, this routing is saved over here. Now 20% of the emails will be sent using Gmail. 40% will be sent using SendGrid. And the rest 40% will be sent using Pabbly Send With Us. And now after this SMTP routing, we have to select the recipient details. And for that, you have to select and create a subscriber list first. I have already created it, so I'm just going to select the list directly, which is this Facebook lead ads. So I'm just going to select this list right over here. Now after selecting this list over here, if I want to send some individual emails, I can enter them over here and automatically this will also be added. If you want to learn how to create the list, we have a detailed video on the subscribers section. You can refer to that. And now it is saying send or save the campaign. So now you have 2 options. When do you want to send this email? If you want to send this email right now, you can click on this send now and send the email. If you want to schedule this for later, you can go on this schedule later and select the date and time at which the email should be sent. For that, we have this calendar button. You can go on this and simply select the date and the time over here, like I have selected. Okay, like this you can also select. Then you can click on the schedule email and this email will be scheduled. And you're going to see we have used this SMTP routing to schedule this. So let's click on this schedule email. Now over here is you are all set. Does this look right? So you can just confirm all the details and click on this schedule. And yes, you're going to see this is scheduled over here. Now I'm just going to go on the schedule section of the campaigns and this is scheduled for April 15th 1. So yes, you can see we have successfully scheduled this and learn how to use SMTP routing inside Pabbly email marketing. So I'll just summarize this video for you that SMTP routing allows you to distribute the email sending across multiple SMTP servers, send large campaigns more efficiently, test different SMTP providers to see which performs the better. This makes your email campaigns more flexible and more reliable. I hope this video helped you understand how to use SMTP routing feature in Pabbly email marketing. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more automation tips and tutorials like this, do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, everyone.